Welcome to this Sahara 4 exercise. In this exercise, we will plot logs in the map window that will be used to make an electrophysis map. For that, we will go to our Sahara project, and once here, with the configuration tab in the map window open, by clicking here, we will look for the logs here. Here we will check this to show any log that we may plot, and here we will load a template, which in this case is going to be the electrophases template. By clicking here, we now have our templates plotted into the map window. Here we will modify this a little bit, increase the width and height of the plot. Here we will ensure that the peaks are selected, and here we will check tracks peaks. We have to add the tracks here, and we will ensure that the margins are fixed. And so we now have our electrophases map. Here we can see that we have loaded a previously created log template, but we could use any log that we have saved previously from the log window. For example, let's say just as an example to see this function more clearly, here I will import this template that we created in a previous exercise when we were reviewing the log window, for example. So now if I check in the different layers, we will see the different parts of the log that are considered part of this layer based on the peaks that we have. We can, for example, use as an here we added the resistivity in the previous exercise. So now we have the three curves. We can see that we have the track that belonged to SP and gamma ray, the one that belonged to to density, and this one that is associated with the different depths of investigation of resistivity. And here we can see the different parts of the log that are associated to the layer 7 in the different wells. Here, as we were preparing an electrophases map, we will keep working with the previous one that I loaded. But just for you to have an idea of how this works, remember you create your log template in the log window, then you can save that template by going here. If I go here, for example, this is the one that we created in the previous exercise, and by clicking save here, I can save this template and then load it in this map window to show the different sections of that log that belong to the layer selected in the different wells, and have another vision of the logs, but in the XY distribution, spatial distribution of the project. So that will be everything for this tutorial, and thank you for watching.